Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change specific application language on Android 16. Let's begin. So recently the third beta of Android 16 released, and with it came few new settings, and the one that we'll be talking about in this video is changing specific application language, which is, to be honest, really cool, and I'm surprised they've added it only now. But you know, better later than never, right? Anyway, in order to enable and change the language for basically any application or device, we have to scroll down until we'll find System. Here, we want to click it and we want to go to Language and Regions. As you can see here at the top, we have preferred language, which is the system language, and currently it is set to English and Spanish, meaning that everything on our phone by default will be English, and if that language is not available, then it will be Spanish. Of course, we can change the order, we can add new language, etc, etc. But we are here for app languages. All we have to do is simply click it, and here we have a list of all applications on our device. I don't think these are actually like all the possible applications you have, only the ones that actually support different languages. For example, calculator. Have you ever used anything like text related on calculator? I don't think so, me neither. However, if you want, you can change the language of the system. So we can click the calculator. As you can see, by default, we have system default enabled, but we can switch it to something different, for example, to English, Espanol, other Espanol, and Polish. Or we can basically choose any different language we want. I'm going to switch it to, well, let's say Polish, so we can actually see the difference. So let's leave the application now, and let's locate our calculator. So as you can see, even right here, if we go to the three dots here, we can see that this is not English, it is Polish. However, everything else on our phone is English. And just like we changed the calculator, we can change basically any other application we have on our phone. Once again, I don't think every application is supported. I think it could be the case, but don't quote me on that. But even if it is, I'm guessing that after the Android 16 will release publicly and fully, more applications will be added to the app languages. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.